In this video, I will show you how to load the EA and the set file inth MetaTrader for platform that can auto-trade if you have a real or demo account.
Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to load an expert advisor, or E, and its set file in MetaTrader 4 for forex trading. If you're new to automated trading, don't worry, this process is simple once you know the steps.
Okay guys, so I will transfer now the EA from your folder. Then you go to the file. Okay, you have to go first to the folder. And then it's like here. And you copy this EA. You're copying, then we will transfer this to your MT4 file. Open data folder. Then MT4 exports. Then save that here. Right click and you paste it. Then after that you can close. Come back here again. Sometimes like this one, it's not immediately here. You refresh. Then it's here. Double click. Okay, once you open this windows, then you have to load okay, one thing, I will show you what will happen if you just open this one. Close that window. Okay, so here, it's not properly arranged, but when we load the display set. Again, expert advisor properties. Reload. It's here. Where is the display here? Open. Then okay. So this is fixed now. Then it will load now the strategy. This is what it will load now is the settings of how the EA should trade. Okay, reload. Again. Reload. We will get only this set. London, New York only. Okay. Now it's only all majors, not all this 28 top pairs. Then set. You can check all the inputs. Then okay. Yeah, so now what we will do is to activate this EA. But first of all, also we come back here and we check if the common tab. Check this one, allow live trading, you will pay. And this auto DC. The EA here is have sad days. Then when you click this auto trading here, then it will become smiley now. Smiley face, and it means it's working, it's running now. Okay, so that's again, close this. And it's so once the sign here is showing the smiley face, then you can, this robot will trade automatically. Okay, so that's it for this video guys, and if you have any comment, just put down below, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.
If you have any question, then come sail with me. Put your comments below and see you on the next one. Bye for now.